Traditional versus Agile testing. It helps to start by looking at similarities between Agile testing and testing in traditional software development. Now let's look at this diagram. In the phased approach diagram, it is clear that testing happens at the end, right before the release. The diagram is idealistic because it gives the impression that there is as much time for testing as there for coding. In many projects, this is not the case. The testing gets squished because coding takes longer than expected, and because team gets into code and fix cycle at the end. Agile is iterative and incremental. This means that the tester tests each increment of the coding as soon as it's finished. An iteration might be as short as 1 week or long as 1 month, but the team builds and tests a little bit of code, making sure it works correctly, and then moves to the next piece that needs to be built. Developers never get ahead of the testers because a story is not done until it has been tested. Agile testers are key players in releasing code to production. You might run scripts or do manual testing to verify all elements of release, such as database update scripts, are in place. All team members participate in a sprint retrospective for every iteration. The whole team brainstorms ways to solve problems and improve processes and practices. The most critical difference for testers in Agile project is the quick feedback from testing. It drives the project forward, and there are no gatekeepers ready to block progress if certain milestones are not met. This is why an Agile team is a wonderful place to be a tester.